Good evening. It's 7 o'clock at night, but it's still daylight in here. I'm gonna collect my potatoes. It's like now I'm gonna harvest my potatoes again. Young potatoes. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Wow. I think they're ready to be harvested. If I leave them for for 1 more month, they will gonna sprout. They're gonna be sprouting, oh, young potatoes. There is big ones.
You ready, Steve?
Hello, I'm so happy. I am so happy that I am cultivating my potatoes, harvesting my potatoes. And my friendly squirrel, they always scratching my plantation, all my pots. Look at this, oh. They won't grow big because they're still young potatoes. They're only young potatoes. I plant 3 potatoes in here. In this is small pots. In these pots I plant potato. I plant only 3 potatoes, small potatoes. Look at this, oh. It's like digging gold. You know, is that feels digging gold? Look at this, oh. Digging gold, yeah. Only 1 bucket. Because I'm still gonna use for second time planting another potatoes. Look at this, oh. Yay! Potatoes. Potatoes. I think because it's been raining this morning, that's why they're soaking wet, though. What's up? The other one didn't bear a lot of tubers. So it's just only 2. 1 alive. It's still alright. It's not smelling. Right. I'm gonna use my technique how to make this soil or compost to be productive again. Hi, I'm putting Epsom salt. This blue stuff that you're seeing, it's the candy floss. I don't want to waste it, so I'm gonna put it in here. Only Epsom salt, a little bit, to revitalize the water, the soil, compost. This is my method, and I'm gonna plant this. Did you see this? Did you see this? I just chopped them off, and then they start sprouting. So I'm gonna put them in here. I think I will put 3. I don't want to waste my water, you see. And this one, this is the NPK that I bought 2 years ago. The NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, yeah. I'm gonna return this. I don't want to waste it. The blue one that I put is the candy floss. That's out of date. Instead of throwing, I throw it into my compost. See, this is September, yeah, end of September. October, November, December. End of September. This one will do. Wrapping. I hope there's still more sun every now and then. I'm gonna put a bit more NPK. Just like that. This is only one fertilization, yeah? Only once. And then that's it. I am recycling my compost because the compost in here are so expensive. I don't want to waste anything. That is my gardening method. See? Wow, look at that. Now I'm gonna put it back. Then now I'm gonna put it in there. My new potatoes. These are all my potatoes still. They're not gonna be ready yet. And this one, they're not gonna be ready yet. Oh, I still got loads of potatoes for next month. That one is gonna be next month. This one, they're the young ones, so. But I need more soil. This one, that's a new one. Oh, this one. Oh, look at this. My potatoes. My harvest on one pot. Potatoes, young potatoes. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Wow, only one.